Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. That like, ease out, ease out.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Sambre'ell and I am back with another video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. I want to thank Crissel here on Amazon for sponsoring today's video. They sent me a 4x4 transparent lace closure wig in 18 inches. It did complete plucked with baby hairs, and also it has a density of 150. And the lace is medium brown, and also sent me a wig cap. After this whole unboxing, we are heading straight into the video. Okay, first I'm cleaning my forehead with alcohol to get rid of any dirt, oil, or makeup. And then I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 330. Actually, I was running out of these, so I had to use another foundation. So if you get any other foundation on your forehead, just go ahead and just cleanse off with alcohol. So now I'm putting the wig on. I'm just adjusting it to my head and putting it in the right place that I want it, you know, just making sure it's pulled down enough. I did adjust the straps in the back, so it gave a really comfortable, snug feel. You know, it wasn't too tight, but it was also very secured. Now I pretty much have it placed where I want it. I'm going to use the even spray in the black can to hold it down, and I did 2 layers of this and I fanned it in between. To me, it's really the same as using the glue, because you do have to wait until it's clear to go and spray on another layer, and then you do have to wait until it's dry and a little bit tacky. Now that it's dried, I'm pulling it down and placing it where I want it to be, and I'm using my comb to like really push the lace into the glue, the adhesive, and just so that it is secured and it stays and that it melts. Okay, I'm using my lace band so that the lace can bond with the spray. And while that's sitting on there, I let it sit for a while. And then I begin to prep and mold my hair for the style. To mold my hair in place, I'm using the Nutrients Slick Stick. Now I'm combing this product out so that it can spread evenly. Okay, I'm using my curling iron to flatten out my hair to get it as flat as possible because I do not have a hot comb yet, okay? Okay, so I took the band out to see what the melt was giving, and purr, it was giving. Yeah, don't play with me. Now I'm trying to cut layers. I'm not the best at cutting layers. I'm trying to get better at it, but I mean, it layered. It did what it's supposed to do. So yeah. So I'm cutting the ends. I don't know why I decided to cut the ends. I just think I just wanted a more like even look, but it came out really cute. I like the cut. I like the even look. Yeah. Now I'm going in with a little bit of BioSilk to give the hair a little shine, a little moisture. And I was really running out of this. I had to get some more, but you really only need a dime size amount of this and just rub through your hair, comb it through, and you're good. So I decided to curl this hair. I wanted to test if it could hold a curl, and baby, it holds a curl. Let's get into the styling though. Now I'm parting out my baby hairs and cutting them, and I'm using my flat iron to like curl them upwards. I've seen people curl them downwards, but I like to curl my baby hairs upwards. Yeah. You already know I'm laying them baby hairs with Gorilla Smart. And this is the finished look. Look at it. Yeah, getting to it. I want to thank Crissel Hair on Amazon for sponsoring today's video and send me this hair. Again, beautiful hair. I would definitely buy again and suggest you all to go and shop with them. Thank you all for staying and watching to the end. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it really helps me out.